This is a story about life, about struggle, about success. Not just mine, but yours too. Because whether you see it now or not, we're all trading something every single day. Time, energy, choices. That's life. That's trading. I wasn't always here. I wasn't always the guy you see on your screen. I started out just like most people, uncertain, broke, doubting the system, doubting myself. But one thing kept me going, the belief that life's biggest opportunities aren't given. they're taken, and I took mine. See, trading isn't just about charts, candles, or currencies. It's about discipline, patience, and the courage to bet on yourself. It's about understanding that every loss is a lesson and every win is a stepping stone. It's about the grind, the sleepless nights, the early mornings, and that voice in your head telling you to keep going when the rest of the world says stop. But let me tell you something. This journey didn't start with success. It started with failure. More failures than I can count. I remember sitting in front of my screen, watching the markets eat me alive, thinking maybe this isn't for me. But deep down, I knew it wasn't about the markets. It was about me. My mindset, my choices, my willingness to adapt, to learn, and to grow. The truth is, trading is a mirror. It shows you who you really are. It forces you to face your fears, your doubts, and your limits. But it also shows you your potential if you're brave enough to see it. I'm here now because I refuse to quit, because I learned to see every loss as a stepping stone, every setback as a setup for a comeback, and if there's one thing I want you to take away from this, it's this. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be persistent. Success isn't about getting it right all the time. It's about staying in the game long enough to win. This isn't just a stream. This is a movement. A space where we don't just talk about markets. We talk about life, about growth, about becoming the best version of yourself, not just as a trader, but as a person. Because the truth is, the charts don't care about you, but this community does. I do. And together, we're gonna rise. So, take a deep breath, clear your mind, and get ready. This is where traders are made. This is where dreams are built. And this is where your story begins. Let's get it.
What's the deal? What's the deal? What's the deal? The base is high? Well, lucky base. I'm trying to get there too. The fuck? I think we should all be where the base is. He said the base is high. How did the base get high? Damn. Extremely high? Why, you know what it is? Extremely high. You guys are just jealous. You guys are jealous of the base. That's what it is. You guys are just jealous and you can't handle that something or someone else is high or extremely high. Now it's good? Yeah, because I turned the fucking music down. Like off. You know, I don't know. I reset my my banana or my voice meter banana, my mixer. Reset my banana's wild. But yeah, my voice meter banana was reset, and I think it messed with the bass settings. But if it's good right now, then it's good right now. If you hold on, let's figure this out. Let's just spend some time doing music and producer stuff. Futures and spot looking different. Oh wow, wow, that's quite different. This one held support and tested the top of the range. This one broke the low and held resist. That's previous support. Is it the fuck? Wow, this is very different. Wow. I mean, they're doing the same thing, right? But like, wow. It was an imposter? No, I think they're going to end up doing the same thing. But it's quite a bit of difference right there. Wow, this... Look at this simple read on gold here. Like, you're just in here. Off top wicks. Probably get the very tip of the top wick as you tap the top of the previous candle high. Yo, stop jumping. Wow, that's 25 to the flip. Wow, what an easy read here on XAU USD on spot gold. Wow. Simple, simple. What the fuck is this? Damn, futures is like gold on pro level. You ever remember getting the NBA 2K or NBA 98? Y'all remember Madden 95? Damn, this is like the rookie level on Madden 95 right here. This right here is on fucking difficulty Hall of Fame right now. Wow, what an easy read on spot gold. What a difficult read on futures. Damn. That's quite different. That's very different.
You know what the difference is between you and me? I make this look good.
Yes, you do, spot. Yes, you do. This looks lovely on spot gold. All right, let's. I may take a sell comment shortly. Possible to refill the range. Yeah, this is spot gold was a lovely read here. All right, let's mark up our chart though, and for our purposes, for the futures, right? We have this. Well, daily closed massively bullish. Opened up with a dumb gap. Retested, well, rebroke the previous daily highs. We're coming back down. If we have a range to breakout on a small time frame, we can start looking for sells. How big is this range? Hey, Mup. Hey, money. Hey, money. Hey, buddy. Chat, I got guests here. You sneezing? Oh, yes, you. Oh, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. Yeah. Alright. Why are you going under the podium like I paid you for it? Come on, bro. Let's go. You sneeze on me? No, I sneeze on you. This guy. Come on, money. Spot. Go to your spot. Oh, you farted. Oh, you disgust. He did that yesterday. He walked over to me yesterday too. Walked over, farted, and walked away. Oh, wow. Nah. Hold on, chat. No. Oh. Bro. Oh my God. Nah, we gotta open a door, open a window. We gotta retract the roof like this shit is like City Field or something. Oh, we gotta make this house a convertible. What the fuck, bro? Remember that rule about no smoking weed inside? I think this is one of those times where it's okay. Holy fuck. Wow, what the fuck? Oh, no, I can't even. Bro! You see, that's that demon coming out of you. I just walked him right before the stream. Just walked him. Did you switch your contract? No, so are we, is the contract up or are we live? Does anybody know? Is Eddie here? Where's Eddie? Eddie. Can somebody check it? I don't think the GC contract's like it, right? You had to switch yours? Anyone on AMP Futures? Hold on. How's my chart is still looking fine, right? GCJ. So what's your contract? What's your contract? Because my chart. Hold on. I won't be able to take a trade. My buttons are blue and red, and my chart is live. Like it's. I see the whole chart. Shouldn't the chart get fucked up then? 0.1. I can't do a 0.1. It normally does get fucked up, but not this time. Okay, hold on. Let me do a test position. You know, test positions cost me money because this is live. And I can't lower the lot size.
Weeks. Can't you like just place a buy stop or sell stop to try?
Buy stop? Hold on. Buy stop. Trading. Sell stop. Here we go. Oh, you're right. You're right. It won't let me. It deletes it. All right. Thank you for letting us know. All right. What's the contract right now? GCEJ? Hold on. Let's switch the. Wait. I need a new chart. Review. Market watch. GCEJ. It says, yep, it says April 2025. So that runs through April, right? Oh, this sucks because now I got to redo the settings on my entire fucking chart. Yeah. Good thing I got them templates, baby. Yeah, it's a different chart. You ain't gotta do shit on TradingView though. Hold on. Oh, I gotta add the signal bot to here now. I gotta redo all the settings and wow. Okay, we're gonna test, I think, the signals here. Damn, we gotta do this quick. Oh, I gotta redo everything. Give me a minute, Chag. I gotta redo all my settings. This sucks that I gotta do this every time. Let's see what's going on here. So this ugly thing is still within a range. We really haven't gone anywhere. That is a nice push on the 15. How much was that drop? $70 pips. Halfway. Yeah, still printing side by side here on a higher time frame, and that's really key. We want the higher time frame to start pushing. Yeah, we're still within a range. Give me a second, chat. I gotta set up the new chart. Okay, we should be good. Play Minecraft in the background. All right, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. 1 second. Bro, I'm gonna take you to the vet. That's not healthy. I don't know what the fuck. That was a nuclear fart, bro. No, you're going to the vet. Don't look at me. Shouldn't have done that shit. Damn, bro. Smelling like expired tripe and shit. I don't know. That shit was not healthy. Prices on AMP and TradeView super off. No, they're not. 27.6895. 27. Wait, what? Yeah, they are. What the fuck is going on right now? So the candles look the same. Your GCJ is 27.90. Yeah, mine too. On the broker, I'm 27.94 right now. And this bitch is at 27.56. Oh wait, this is XAU USD. Yeah, but this is also 27.69. Where my broker's at 27.94 right now. But the chart looked like this. I think because it's the first. Does this ever happen on like the first day of like when the chart when a new contract hits? You're at 27.69 on the broker and on TradingView, right? It's the rollover. I'm at 27.94 on the broker, and this is 27.69. I'm 300 or 200. My brokers connect trading systems the same on both. Yeah, but you also have AMP, don't you? Or forget the base, the charts are high. So, but like I will say this, it looks identical. or almost identical. It looks the same as the way, like the way the candles are printing. It looks very similar. Your contract's GCG? No, not today. It changed to GCJ. No, I can't. Like, this is the contract I can be on. There's only one gold futures. Seafood futures. What do you do? I day trade. What? Seafood? Nah, bro. If I ever bump into somebody trading seafood futures, I'm fucking slapping them with a tortilla. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, I can't choose anything else. The only thing I can have is the US futures right here. They trade in shrimp, fish, carbs, or what? But there's seafood futures. That is wild. I didn't know you could trade that. I had no clue that's a thing. Oh, hold on a second. You can trade farts in a jar. You guys are laughing. I'm trying to take him to the vet. Something, I think, either bit him or something. His paw swell up. No, I didn't sleep last night. Why, can you tell by my eyes? Sorry for my bloodshot eyes. Sorry for my bloodshot eyes. Knock knock. Oh man, I heard too many knock knock jokes this weekend. I got you, gang. What you doing in the evening? Well, see, I got 3 daughters. I do a lot of homework. I do a lot of homework projects, and then I got this dog, and he started whining at night. Something happened with his paw. I'm gonna take a picture of it. Like, one of his paws is like triple the size right now. I think something bit him. I just saw that there's pus coming out, so like he was like, I don't know, he wasn't in a good place last night. Yeah, I'm taking him to the vet right after the stream. He looks like he fucking does arm wrestling right now. Like, he only arm wrestles with his right paw, because this shit is just like triple the size of the left one. After stream, I got a appointment to the vet. Actually, you know what? While we're waiting, we haven't even done a breakdown chat because we've been kind of stuck in this ugly ass range, and we've been kind of like wowing over the discrepancies. But let's mark this up. You know what? That's a very minor level. I'll keep hitting it. What do they call this? What do they call this in other communities? The retest of the neckline? How many of you got burned trading the retest of the neckline this weekend or this week? Yeah, chat, drop a like, sub to the channel, turn on your notifications, this way you know when we're on. And if you can't make it here, like if you have a Fortnite tournament you got to attend, right? Or bro, really? You're lucky your paw is swollen. I think he can't, he's just farting because he can't walk away. Oh my god. You're about to go for, bro. I don't know what I was saying. Bro, you need I don't know what you need. You don't need a doctor. You need a fucking exorcism right now. That shit is evil. Whatever's coming out of you is evil. My eyes aren't tired. It's burning from his fucking thermonuclear bombs that he's dropping right now. God damn. A joint. I need a match. Yo, word, go to the back. Go to the yard. I don't want to make him walk because he's limping. His fucking paw hurts. Damn. That's chemical weaponry, right? Yo, you put him in the trenches, he'll clear the trenches out. Nah, I need a Febreze. I don't know what I need. Y'all know a good exorcist? Bro, the plants turned yellow. The fuck? I think birds are dropping outside. I think they're just falling out the sky right now. This guy. I can't with you, bro. Yeah, chat. This is his version of the natural gas storage news. That's just his version. And your version sucks, bro. It stinks. What up, Focus? Thanks for being here. What's the deal? Search GC on Trading View, then click to the left of GC and select GCJ. Oh, big brain, Hank. Big brain Hank, bro. Thank you. Nice. Now when people ask me, I'm gonna tell them what you just taught me, and I'm gonna just sound real smart and be like, man, you just go over there, you do this, and it's cool.
yo, what's the GCJ for? Because I'm doing that stuff right now.
Are you on AMP Futures?
No, I'm on TradeAvate, but I mean,
what's the price on TradeAvate? Is this one 27.94 800?
27.94.
Are you in 27.94?
Yeah, 27.94 point.
All right, so yeah, you go right here on Trading View. Look at this,
Yeah.
Hank. I'm doing what I just said I'm gonna do. You go right here, type in GC. Just type in GC. That's it. Right? You type in GC right there, and then on the left of it, there's you see this arrow?
Yeah, I got
Click
that.
that arrow, and then you go GCJ.
So do you have to change it every single month? Then I'm assuming.
Month and a half, I think, something like that.
Okay,
Or
so
maybe-
if
or
we're gonna
maybe
go
every
into
month.
February, we have to have March. If we're
Yeah,
going
it's a
into
new contract, yeah.
Okay, so you always have to be 1 month ahead, technically.
Something like that, yeah. But I mean, the charts will typically get fucked up on the terminal, and you'll be able to tell, like, oh shit, yeah, time to change the contract.
No, I got you. Okay, cool. Appreciate it, man.
Gotcha. Can't believe you didn't know that, bro. Everybody knows that. Yeah, I don't know what to be interested in trade of it on GCG. No, but this on my broker wouldn't allow me not to trade GCG. I just tried. Wait, so what just happened? Oh, I was gonna say it. So we gotta redo the charts. Alright, let's redo the charts. You gonna do this to me? Yeah, right. Yeah, so on the higher time frame, we made a top wick, made a bottom wick, small body right now, which means that this entire candle is a range, right? We understand wicks are ranges, so that means this from right here So right here, this is just one big range that we're stuck in. And we've been printing side by side for the last 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. So we really don't want to guess here. We just want this thing to push up or down, like a merry-go-round. As long as it pushes out of this range, we will start locking in on positions, right? For now, we need to see an indication of volume, and you can interpret that indication through a closure outside the range. Or you could recognize that volume. So let this thing break outside the range. Seems like it's popping right now. Let's see. Let's see if we can get some closures outside the range. You have your 1 hour closure in 8 minutes. Wow, big brain Jake. Sorry, big brain Hank. Jay's also big brain. Yeah, I know what the fuck I mean. You smoke a joint this morning? Yes, twice. So is it 2 joints or 1? Because if you blow an account and you then refill it and you blow it again, did you blow the same account? So is it 1 account that's been blown? And people need to clarify how many times you blew that account? Or is it like I blew 2 accounts? Anyway. You're broke. Word, it doesn't matter what it is, you're broke. Straight up. You blew the account twice or you blew to a different account, your ass is broke. I don't care what you want to call it. Call it what you want to call it. You're a fucking brokeaholic. Jack's in the building. We eat what we like. Wow, that's a lot of red folders, but not for us. Canada, eh? Canadians, eh? These fucking the maple syrup guzzlers. Yeah, gold ain't got a red folder till 2 p.m. Chat, I'm gonna see you at 2 p.m. Can you explain how you mark up your levels? I tend to start off on the higher time frame, and then I try to make, really kind of adjust them as I drop down time frames and where they line up better with other time frames, where multiple time frames line up, where multiple levels line up. But I'll start on the higher time frame, just the higher time frame level, right? The 4 hour clear closure, resistance here, clear support right down here, and just start adjusting where they make sense based on the time frame, on the small time frame and the higher time frame. Like there's levels that just make sense that are easily identifiable on all time frames. Those are the stronger levels. Probably gotta flip the tape soon. No, we're good. Look at the 1 minute. We came down, made a low, came up a little, came back down, respected that low. Entries taken as we break back up. Wait, let's go to the 1 minute. Yeah, I see what you're saying. Is just the logic is there, right? This is the logic that I still carry, right? I just don't trade the same. I just don't see it that way. I don't know. Maybe either I got to get to where you're going or I got to get away from it. That's how I see it. I don't know if I'm making my way away from what you do, or am I getting close to what you do? I just don't see it like that. I see it as fine this 1 minute, but then in the next 1 minute it's completely different. And like there's no trade for me here. Even though it rebroke the high after rebreaking the low, so logic is there. It's the logic I used to go by, right? We used to discuss this logic in the clubhouse. But so where it would make sense to go. But I honestly don't take my entries quite the same as I did maybe even 4 or 5 months ago. You know what I mean? Even from I've adjusted, or just even in the last 2 months, I don't take the same entries as I did maybe 3 or 4 months ago. Would I have taken an entry on spot on a 30-minute? No. We needed to break out the range. I spoke about this. We were here for the 30-minute closure. We didn't take it. There was a reason why. Bias can only be taken if the 4-hour flips. No, not necessarily. You can have a range 2 breakout without the 4-hour flip. And you mean on spot gold, right? So let's go spot gold. Right, so you have the 4-hour. It looks a bit different here. Yeah, on spot gold, you can have a range 2 breakout before the 4-hour flip. Where's the flip? Up here. So if it was earlier in the candle, you would need a range 2 breakout. And if you have a range 2 breakout up here right now, yeah, it would have to flip. But you also have range 1. Sorry. 1. Right now, this is range 2, right? But if you came up here before the flip and then you printed a resistance, right? If you printed something like this and the market then rebroke that resistance after driving off this support to come up, right? If it did this, now you can take trades from within this area, right? Once you get that closure, and you could look for this bottom wick to come up, even though the 4-hour only flips up here. So you would still have a bearish 4-hour, but a range 2 breakout on the smaller time frame, letting you finish out the range, take advantage of the range. So that's when you can do a buy before the 4-hour flip. You want to establish resistance and break the highs driving off of support. If you're driving off of support, you're highly likely to hit the next resistance, especially breaking the previous one. Below the range is there. No, I would not have taken this on the 30. No. This, I would have taken it up here, right here. This was good. That first initial wick right here. Once this was formed, I would not have taken this top wick. So I would have taken it maybe on the 15 or at the start of the hourly. Yeah, like 8 a.m. Or that. No, that was 8 a.m. Yeah. What are you saying right here on the hourly? Where's the hourly? Right there. So yeah, it came up, made this top wick first. Yeah. I would have taken this from up here down to here. I would have, yeah. Because it made that top wick first. I remember when it was forming on the hourly, I was like, wow, that looks great. Anyway, let's get away from here. Let's go back to our charts. What a closure on the hourly. Still looks like ass and feet. And I gotta wait. But we need more power, right? So we need more closures. Yo. Bro, you fart right now again. I'm trading you in for a chia pet. I don't give a damn. Hey, you better lay down. Fuck, man. Really, there's really not much of a top wick here. How much? Wait, what do we have here? How big of a wick is that? 4 pips for a top wick. Nice bullish drive to close out the candle, right? 60 pips, but no top wicks. Holding resistance. You can make this top wick here. You opened up with a top wick. You can make one right now. Continue down. So this is a leg candle, not much of a top wick. The wick bigger than the candle body. Holding resistance, right? So yeah, it pushed up. Bullish closures, but doesn't mean the market's going to drive up because they closed respecting and the way the candle formed. Right, the way it closed, the way the next one opened. You can't really play the relationship of these two candles, and you can't play the range. So I gotta wait here. I gotta wait till we have volume. How do we know there's volume? We'll close outside the range. If there was no volume, we wouldn't close outside the range. Streaming FOMC or not? That's gonna. I really wanted to, but it's gonna depend on the vet. Like if the vet says, like, you need to stay here and hold his paw or something, yeah, I'll be there. Can't play the range because we filled it multiple times already. Well, yes and no, because we broke out of it, right? It's not like we stayed in the range and we keep bouncing up and down. We broke out of it. So once we broke out, I'm okay with trading this range up here, trading from here to here, right? That's a range too on a smaller time frame. It's about 35 pips. I'm okay to trade it up, but we would have needed to close somewhere down here. We needed bottom wicks first, right? And it was an hourly closure. It doesn't look that great, but just in general, like maybe not in this case, but overall, once we broke out of it, if we're coming back into a range that we weren't in, then I'm okay with that. You guys know that Stewie's older than most of you? This little baby, this little football head looking baby right here is older than most of you. Hold on, gang. I've got to run upstairs for a sec. Hold on. Oh man, I was muted. Sorry. I'm just asking for it to push. Get me 50 more pips. Get us to 80, baby. Let's go. Oh, we need to flip the tape as well. Incoming. Yeah, my camera was way off. This shit was like this. Our signals arriving with GCE J25, but Wix is trading GC1. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. It's just on TradingView. It's GC1. Oh wait, and what the fuck? Right there. Right there. GCJ 2025. Right there. Sorry. Let's break out of here. We got to get out of this range. Once we're out of the range, we'll have an easier time. We'll have volume. We'll have direction. All we'll need is timing. Thank you, Jay. Yeah, gang. If you can't show up to live streams, or if you want to take the signals that are done throughout the day, we haven't had any actually in the last few days, but overall, if you want to take Asian signals or anything that we take after or before the stream, join the damn signal channel. First trade pays off your month membership. First trade. Oh, and prices will be going up. Prices will be increasing. I'm just weighing out the options and the proper way to do it, but those prices will be going up. For everyone? Yeah, for everyone. There's too much value. There's people fucking with 50% win rate charging triple what I'm charging for signals. Right? With quadruple the amount of subscribers. I mean, of signal subscribers. Like, there is literally not a single fucking signal provider doing what I'm doing in my signal channel. No one's doing what I'm doing in my signal channel. Not a single one. Your favorite fucking streamers or your favorite fucking account flippers are all fucking losing and charging thousands of dollars. So the fact that I'm charging that little, maybe it makes people think that it's not a high quality item. And boy, they cannot be more disillusioned than that. It's a fucking bargain and a steal, and it's fucking feeding people for free. And then there are people who are not feeding anyone, just selling you shit and taking all your money. And value's gonna be priced valuably. The stream is a test. Yeah, we've won 86 trades in a row. All done live here. Show me somebody that's won 30 trades in a row. Chill out with the F bomb. As in, don't be authentic, Wix. Wouldn't you want the authentic Wix instead of the politically correct Wix? Authenticity rules the day. I'm cool with the F-bombs. I think the word bomb is worse than the F word. I can say fuck 18 times in one sentence, YouTube won't care. I say the word bomb, I'm back to 25k subs. What am I pricing it to? I don't know. I'm working with people who are let's say researching the market landscape right now, and I told them to come back to me with reasonable numbers and valid numbers where in that landscape I belong based on my results. So right now there are people doing that research, or basically just joining everybody else's signal channel who's in the niche, in the space, and they're doing the research of how profitable they are versus like how much bullshit is there and what the prices are. You got a team? Well, I think more than one person is a team, so it's me and it's people that are just that I hired to help me. Yeah, I'm building a team. The goal is to build the team. Well, all I have to do is this, just trade. Yeah, just keep respecting here. There's nothing off the bottom wick here with 4 pips. Need a clear indication of volume. Are signals automated, or we need to enter? Are you asking me if it's a managed account? No, it's signals. I drop a signal, it's up to you to take it. It's not a managed account where I take a trade and your account trades as well. You can set it up like that, right? There are bots like that, but that's on you. My job is to offer you access, right? Provide you with access. It's not even my job. I'm one of those people that'll provide you the behind the scenes access because the shit's valuable and it works. And I want all of you eating. I might not like all of you, right? But we don't have to eat at the same table. I still want all of you eating. You guys all have families, kids, we're planning on it, or people to take care of. So I want all of you eating. What do I think about the volumes coming in? Good. Good. Let it push. NYC open here is in 10 minutes. I wanted this shit to push 50 pips. We've moved 20. You experienced burnout from trading? No, I experienced burnout from streaming. Because sometimes, by the end of the week, after sitting and talking for 5 hours a day, like it's tough. I have so much respect for teachers and educators, because imagine doing it live in a school and you have to wake up and you have to talk, like you guys are on the other end of the screen. I can sit here and do fuck all. I can smoke a joint and still, you know, like, imagine in school you can't do none of that shit, and you're literally talking for 5 to 8 hours a day. Like, that's the hard part, like just talking 5 to 8 hours a day, because like you get sick and tired of talking. You just want some peace and quiet, and you don't want to talk to nobody. Trading gold futures allowed in the US? Yep, I'm trading on a regular US regulated broker. Ambient gold? Yep, gold ambient. I didn't even know that was still a thing. Swish, swish, swish. 9 minutes here. 9 minutes. What you gonna do? Your chart is so much different on spot. Oh. Which one is lying, huh? Which one is lying? Somebody's lying. Ooh, did we break that? No, we did not break that high. We will though. Let's see, we got 8 minutes here. Cadillac, Cactula. Music too loud? Is it really? No, it's not. You mean my sound effects are too loud? Right? Sound effects are too loud. So the flex is going to be extremely loud. Let's try it. Music ain't loud enough. Sound effects too loud. Too loud. NCAA 2006. No. First time flexing in traffic. Careful, in Florida, they take that as a threat. It's like flashing a gun in public. When's the last time you went to the gym? Yesterday. I went to the gym yesterday, and I went to the gym for the last 3 days, but before those 3 days, I haven't been in the gym in about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. I had a weird last month. I didn't go to the gym for 2 weeks. Then like before New Year's, I had a couple of days that like I had nothing to do and it was easy to go. And then again, I didn't go for 2 weeks, and it's been like a month of like 5 gym sessions. It's been a really lousy month. Chicago's just, the fuck you doing? Yeah, but I've gone the last 3 days. And you know what's crazy? No matter how much time off I take, everyone always talks about my traps and my shoulders. Oh, even yesterday walking out, like the girl in the gym, like that the front desk, she gave me a compliment. She's like, wow, your shoulders are really building out. And I wasn't going to be like, no, they not, bitch. I haven't been here in a month. But she was like, oh, wow, your shoulders are really filling out. Like I've been going in there and like every day and just, you know, gym rat stuff. But I wasn't going to be like, nah, you know, I haven't been here in a month. I was like, yeah, I'm putting in all that hard work right there. I was just full of shit to make her feel better, not even me. I just didn't want to put her on the spot. Because she would have been like, it would have been mad awkward if I was like, nah, I haven't been here in a month. It's just like, I don't know what the fuck you're looking at. I was like, yeah, I've been really trying to, you know, get there. I think she might have seen through my fucking demeanor that I was laughing on the inside. I don't know how obvious it was. It's like, yeah, I'm really putting in that work right now. Yeah, I don't know. We got 4 minutes for the sturdy closure, and we're back in the range. I'm not a big fan of how we printed. I want to really get the fuck out of this range. She on the sales team? No, she's actually a trainer. Cause she had the trainer shirt. Unless they just give that to everybody, but I didn't see the janitor wear the trainer shirt, so that motherfucker actually had the janitor shirt. All right. Yeah, I mean, we were just up here a minute ago. 5 minutes ago. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes ago. We need to, you know, this isn't volume. Like, volume, we'll identify volume with a closure outside the range. This is a lack of volume. This is almost like when you have heat and no heat. Like right now, there's no heat in Florida. Right? We're lacking heat. This motherfucker lacking volume. What's spot looking like? Looking like spot. Oh, that's not even spot. At this point, like, I hope all the markets come down because then they'll all line up. I hope this motherfucker just drops here because it will line up with what spot gold is doing, and then I can be like, all right, everyone is on the same page. So if we can hold resistance here and here, I will be a happy camper if we can just break down. Doesn't mean we will. We can still come up, right? We've held the support here, but this is very arbitrary. There's no guarantee or a really high probability of either direction. It's maybe, you know, 60-40, 70-30, which is 70-30 is still good, but right, 70-30 bullish here, but just based on closures, you were coming up right? You had this heavy drive up, so you're still likely to continue with structures. You see that you're making higher highs, higher lows. So, but if this breaks down, all the charts will align and all the charts will make sense here together. If everything can break down here. Then I'd say, all right, nobody's lying. Everything's making sense. Streaming FOMC or not, depending on how long my vet appointment goes. What's up, Mikey? So the signals only signals? No, the signal channel gets access to the private Discord. You get access to the Zoom sessions, which means there's no delay here on YouTube, right? You get to trade with no delay on the Zoom side. And you also get to be part of the private Asian session when we run that on Sundays, every Sunday. It's also just for signals, and there's more. What else is there? Yeah, no, that's it. You get Discord, you get no delay free Zooms, you get private session on Sundays, and I think that's the most beneficial thing, where we could just kick it and talk, and you get Zoom access throughout the week to trade with no delay. And there's private Discord chats that you get access to. We discuss shit. Oh, and you also get... We also do giveaways every Sunday. Does YouTube membership get Zoom access? Yes, depending on which one, and not, you don't get access to all the streams. And that I'm gonna change too. I'm gonna be, so if you're thinking of going to the YouTube for membership, I'm gonna change all that too. It's gonna be only for signal channel. So once I start updating prices and raising prices, I'm gonna update all of the stuff on YouTube as well. Haven't been on streams much because to get a JOB funding, the #1 funding company there is. Yeah, the private chats, the signal chat, the Clubhouse chat, and there's the general chat as well. Ben, I'm good. I'm always good. I ain't gotta write rhymes. I got Wix in the hood. I mean, we're in at the same exact price where we were yesterday at this time. Right? Oh no, a bit later. Yesterday we were right here. Sorry. Yeah, then it drove it, finished out the range. We were ranging on a smaller time frame yesterday. My vape might be charged.
Yo, Wix, you can let me in the Zoom. I'm about to switch over to my phone.
Oh, I see.
Good looks.
Wix, will signals cost change for those who already have a monthly sub? So I gotta talk to the WAP guys. I'm not sure how that's gonna work. I don't know if it's gonna then. I think it's gonna. No, it's not gonna kick you out. I think whatever you've paid for, that's what you will get. But at the end of the month, I think that renewal might be might be more expensive. But there's some people. There's quite a few people that are signed up, just paid for the year, and so whenever their year, it's not going to raise for them at the end of the month. It's like whenever their year expires, it's gonna. That's when it's gonna probably kick in. I want to make sure with the WAP guys. Yeah, it wouldn't make sense for it to just raise prices once you've already joined. Yeah. Anybody holding runners right now? Some support here. Yeah, your chart way too different from gold spot right now. Yes, not way too different, but they weren't exactly telling the same story. They're just both not tradable at the moment. I wouldn't take a position on either one here. I think what's really good about the way we trade, I think because we trade volume, right? Well, the volume candles, right? We try to be on those candles. We're very patient. We try to hop in on the candles that drive, right? We don't really sit here for too long, right? That's evidenced by the fact that we don't sit here for too long. Most of the time, the candles that we're in, those are the candles that drive, right? So I think when it comes to the way we trade, when volume kicks in here, it kicks in everywhere, right? So when we start driving, wherever we are in the market or wherever the discrepancy is, wherever gold is driving, it'll drive on both pairs, right? When it's the volume candles. But as it's setting up, as it's ranging, trending up and down, yeah, I see discrepancies. I'm late. You took any trades? No, these are from yesterday. Let me get rid of that. Okay, pretty sure we'll have something. I don't think we'll range through the session, but maybe it's waiting for FOMC at 2 o'clock. I don't know. There should be some pushes into the next range. Why so low traffic on YouTube today? Maybe it's the FBs, the F-bombs. You stream FOMC? I will try, as long as my appointment, as long as I'm back from my appointment with the vet, I will try. Low traffic, they're missing out. You know what I mean? We're gonna, whoever doesn't show up, whoever you don't see here, just send them a screenshot of your profits today. Speed also drops up. Yeah, who the fuck cares? The president drops F-bombs. You know who doesn't drop F-bombs? My mother. You know who drops fucking A-bombs and H-bombs? My dog. That motherfucker thermonuclear right now. My dog is glowing green after that last fart. He's just got a green glow. A little green force field around him after that fart. I think he's radioactive. Yo, this guy's an ass. He knows I'm talking. He just farted again. Yo, what are you doing, bro? You know you stink, right? You know you smell terrible, right? You know you stink, right, you big mush? You're supposed to be a guard dog, not a fart dog. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do when an intruder comes? Fucking gas attack? Rotten to the core, bro. Wow, you fucking no, bro. I'm going outside for a second. I'm gonna open the door. You need to go. I'm bringing your spot outside. Do you want to go? Sure you bought a dog, not a skunk? I think he identifies as a skunk. Definitely a dog, but he identifies as a skunk. I'm about to scare him. I'm about to put that Trump speech on where he's talking about we're eating the dogs. Hey, I'm about to go to ChatGPT. Learn dog language and tell my puppy to stop farting in dog. Haha, if only it were that easy. Well, I can't literally speak dog. I can give you some insight into why your pup might be gassing up the place and how to reduce it. Oh, sudden diet change can cause it. That's what it is. Yeah, we've changed his diet a bit. ChatGPT told me if it gets really bad, start lighting some candles. Thanks. He needs a shitmate? No, I just took him out. He just keeps farting. He took a shit. He keeps farting. Every time it sounds like a car impression. Oh, we're on the wrong chart again, chat. Here we go. That's the right chart. Gold doesn't know what it's doing. This chart is more confused than a Dominican at a Puerto Rican Day Parade. This is wild. It doesn't know where it's going. Am I in the right place? I'm out like a fat kid in dodgeball. Yeah, bro. You're cute without the E. Peace out. Hey, we go to Puerto Rican parades for the freaky Boricuas. Yeah, you guys go to every parade. Wait till the West Indian parade hits. The Puerto Ricans and Dominicans both out there like they fucking like they fucking Jamaican. Yeah, New York, West Indian Day. New York gets wild. What are you doing? You get shot in a West Indian. Yeah, they're wild. It's one of the wildest scenes I've ever been to. I went to a West Indian Day Parade like 15, 20 years ago. I seen fucking Elephant Man performing on like the top of a school bus and shit. Like the middle of Prospect Park or some shit. Man, oh man, ain't trading before FOMC. Hey, last FOMC, there was volume before. What's up? You're here? Yo, family. Why are you looking at me like that, bro? Yeah, he's like a little baby. Like, he's like one of my daughters. They always do the same thing. They pull up right next to me, right to my elbow area, right, and then they're just tugging on my elbow. Hey, what's up? This guy. You see him? He's so funny. He just, dog. Yo, you see this guy? He's sleeping on my hand. Look, this is my hand. He's sleeping on it. This guy. I love dogs. Bombastic side-eye. He's just a baby. Yeah, he's 10 months old, but he's 90 pounds right now. I just weighed him. I thought he was like $120. I was like, nah, you need to get on a scale. He's 90 pounds. So I'm gonna step outside with him. Let's see if he wants to go. If he wants to go poop. Let's go. I'm gonna need you to take a shit right now, bro. Because you can't come back in here smelling like that. That's embarrassing, duh. Come on. Think about the ladies. How you going? I can be around the ladies, bro. Good thing is I don't really have to walk him far. I just let him in the yard. So I'm going to go. While we're still printing here, we got 10 minutes for this hourly closure. It's also going to be a 4-hour closure. But if we're going to close side by side, there's going to be more waiting involved. Give me a second. I'm back in 5 minutes. Benny. Let's go, Benny. Come on. Come on, boy. Your paw hurts. I know. I know. We're going to the vet right after this, buddy. Come on. Benny, hold that door. Come on, pup. I know it hurts. Benny. Benny, come on. Let's go. You don't need that. Benny. Come on. Benny, come on, let's go. We'll come back out. That's a bird. Leave her alone. Be smart. Let's go. You don't need that bullshit. Come on, Benny. That's a damn pigeon. You don't want no pigeon. No, we don't want no pigeon. Let's go, bro. Benny. Come on. Bet you think that song is about you. Not gonna lie, I love old Don. You guys are on the wrong stream. Uses some stream hoppers. Or not the wrong stream, you're on the wrong chat. We're gonna move up or down? 2 minutes here for this closure. Proud to be a stream hopper. I identify as a hopper. This is pretty shitty volume. This is not beneficial for anyone. Just being stuck in a range. Yesterday and today, boring but good for my patience. Yeah, I mean, shouldn't be exciting. This shouldn't be driving any kind of like impulsive emotions out of you. Oh, people at the Zoom door. Hit it. It takes two to make a thing go right. It takes two to make it add. I want to rock right now. I want to rock right now. Last night on stream I had 0 trades. Oh, 1B. Yeah, this week we only have. It's crazy. It's Wednesday. We only have 2 trades the whole week, and they're both break evens. January hasn't been easy to trade gold. That's for sure. Yeah. It's been a tougher month. It's not tougher month. It's just been less volume at the beginning of the year. Volume will come in eventually. You'll see. You'll be like, holy shit, we've been driving for weeks. Around Q2, you'll see. Closer to March, April. Okay, let's look at this 4 hour. 10 seconds here. That's not a pretty closure within these wicks. Ended up closing above, but is it really above, or is the level just higher here? Yeah, I can't trade this. This 5 pip top wick. We open up with a top wick. Yeah, there's just nothing to take right now. What's spot doing? Yeah, I wouldn't trade spot either here. So if it's going to reject, it's going to be here, right? If it's going to start flipping bullish, this is where it'll start doing it. Right? This is decision making time. It's either going to plummet down or it's going to reject here and start flipping heavily up. One of the two. So it's decision time. And you don't want to be in a position before decision time. You want it to make a decision and hop on after. But personally, like I said earlier, I would rather this plummet down, because then everything will line up. All time frames will make sense here if this plummets down. I mean, not all time frames, all pairs, all gold futures, gold spot will sort of be telling the same story. Ain't these like the classical position? Take 4 hour strong bullish, left the wick. First thing he's doing, can you expect a flip? That wick and that closure. Maybe, but it's a really weak push out the range, and it's still within this previous wick, that 30 no top. Like, not everything is lining up here. All right, we can just as easily break down here. We didn't re-break the highs here. I wanted the closure either above the wick or this candle to re-break the high and close above the range. It didn't really re-break the high here. We still held this resistance for now. Once it does, and once we start driving up, then fine. This is the area we tap. Yeah, I would rather, if it's gonna flip and drive up, I would rather let it do that first. Because it's not really a closure I want on the 4 hour. Yeah, this is tough. Keeps holding this 5 minute. saying earlier. There's not a massive edge anywhere here. 5 closed bearish back in range. Anyone's guess here. We could come up, we could come down. Not my edge. What's up? What's up? You don't feel good, right? Your paw hurts. You're a good boy. You're the bestest boy. Yes, you are. Yeah, I'm still waiting here. Puppy time. He's just sleeping on my knee. Oh, that's a cat. You heard a cat? That's right. You tell him. You eat everybody. Looking like it's loading up. Yeah, I would have figured if it was going to come down, it's holding these wicks, right? This previous resistance could now be turning support. For now, it's holding. I would figure it would have plummeted already by now. Right? It had a chance right here to start breaking the lows. It kind of tapped, held, so might be coming up. Let's see. 50-50 here. But the first step to back down, to plummeting down, is the 5 closure back in range, right? Then you're going to need a 15 closure back in range, then a 30 closure back in range, and then the time frame, the smaller time frames are going to have to flow into the higher time frames, and then the higher time frames are going to have this eventual push down, and then once that push down, you will go backwards. We'll go back from the higher time frame to the smaller time frame to lock in on an entry, right? Once we start seeing the smaller time frames break down. Yo, who are you barking at? Come on. Good boy. Sorry, man. Yo, that is so funny. My pool guy just walked in with like the same headphones that I'm on. Like, he's over there at the pool with the fucking big headset, and my dog started barking at the pool guy. Yeah, once we start seeing this, we're gonna want some range 2 breakouts. So if we have range 1, range 2, so we're gonna want to see this candle here come down and close like this. Might come down steeper, and then we'll look for top wick entries. Pool guy, what's your weather like? It's cold here right now. I think, let me look. What's the weather like right now? It's got to be around like 70, 75 probably. But it was cold as fuck this morning. It was like early, it was like low 50s or upper 50s this morning. Imagine he's listening on YouTube. No, he's like talking. He's got a fucking streamer headset on, a wireless streamer headset on, or like gamer headset on. He saw me walk out, and I was like, I see what you're doing. I see you. Pool ASMR. Will we get a closure? Will this flip and start driving? What are we gonna do? Now that we found range, what are we gonna do? Yeah, it's holding for a while now, so I don't know. Higher time frame says up. Smaller time frame says hold on a sec. Hold on, let me. Sorry again. Hey, stop scratching your eye. You ever see me do that? You ever see me use my back foot to scratch my eyebrow? Never. Stop doing that. You're gonna buy on spot gold? I mean, depending on your entry, but yeah. If this flips and you have a wick entry here, you're chilling. Right? Because you've gotten some pips. It's like 20 pips and you get spot, you know. I mean, you get, you take risk off the table, go break even, and see if it flips, let it rock. 27.56.83. Hold on, the 4-hour closed bearish on damn, that's tough to take buys into this bearish 4-hour. Yeah, Jay, honestly, I would not be in buys there. It should come up the way it's looking like right now, but as you were like, as it was coming down here, I would not have been advised there. It had a top wick, it could be coming down. It just, I don't know. But if you're flip here, you got the top of the range. Look, you got the previous candle wick fill, and then you got the top of the range. So
yeah, I just closed. I caught 64.5 pips. Jesus Christ, I stacked positions. I mangoed the shit out of it. When it broke, when it came back down for the fake out, and it didn't break the low, yeah. I went back in for another position. Yeah. Man, if this keeps going up, I'll be a little sad, but bro, that was a hell of a fucking position I took.
Look at the smaller time frame. I don't know, yeah.
Oh my God.
Look at this 4. Maybe the 4-hour will hold support. Maybe you'll get a heavy push back up. Be interesting.
I mean, I think it could refill the range or close to it at 60 or 61, but I didn't want to hold that long and I wanted to take the profit. And bro, it was just too much for me to not take it. 64, almost 65 pips, bro. That was insane. Insane, big, massive W. Seriously.
Damn. That wasn't a pre-trade stretch, gang. That wasn't the stretch I do pre-trade. Ain't chasing it today. Oh, ain't forcing it today. You're off 1L tomorrow. Yeah, no need to chill tomorrow. Let the market set up. It will. It will. Be patient. I'm here till 11. Then I gotta run. I gotta go take my dog to the vet. I can see he's not feeling well. He's licking his paw. Let me see. I don't like how your paw looks. Stop it. Let's go.
Oh my God, what a perfect close there. Bro, I closed at 58.75. It went up 6 picks more and then it just all the way crashed, man. What a perfect close, seriously.
Yeah, it's not a high quality candle to be
Nope.
here.
No, it's true. But when it came back down, it broke the low once at 56.28 and never came back to break the low again. So once it started rejecting, I took a risk and I said, I'm going to get into the position. I saw a strong resistance. That's 56.28. And once it came back down again to retest it, that's when I got into the mango. After that, once the I saw the bullish candles pop back up on the 5. And then that's when I held everything and then closed at 65. So, bro, wow.
You traded this range right here. You pulled a Hank.
Yes. Yeah.
You pulled a Hank.
Yeah, mango, guys, is when you add a position when you're in profit. It's the opposite of a pineapple. A pineapple is when you add a position when you're a drawdown. So mango is when I was already in profit, I added one when I saw the position was most likely to keep pushing up into bullish, up to where I wanted it to go. And then so I do 2 positions per trade, like Wix. So I had 4 positions in total at that point, and that's how I was able to get almost 64 pips.
Hey, what are you doing? This is just disgusting. US confirmation is taking place. I noticed they mess up price action. Is it directly them? Are the markets waiting on a catalyst? Is it like, what is it really? Is it just the range that we've reached that seems to be pretty heavy, and like right previously it stayed here for a while, right? This is on the hourly. Look at all these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. So just kind of printed side by side for an entire day on the hourly here. For 20 hours. So we're in that range, right? So it's, what is it? Is it the lack of catalyst, or is it the range? Or is it the the expectation that FOMC should be something massive? Hey, leave your paw alone. I know it's itchy. Leave it alone. We're gonna go to a vet right now. Actually, hold on, gang. fuck. I'm sorry. Yeah, all I was saying is that we want a range 2 breakout, right? We have a range 1. Thank you for letting me know. Appreciate that. Range 1, range 2 right here. So we want this closure below, and ideally entries off resistance that's within range 2. So you want the top wick to come back into range 2 before making a bottom wick, understanding that you need to come down here. You have resistances to drive off of 1 and 2, right? So you're looking for top wick entries here or here. I need a range 2 breakout, because right now you have a range 1 breakout, and until you have this area, right, until you have a range 2 breakout, you're likelier to fake out. So this is still likelier to happen like this, right? I have to tap into support here, than you are to break down. But if you're able to break range 2 and come down here, then the likelier sequence of events here would not be the closure back up in range, but it would be a top wick and a finish of the range down. So let it do its thing. Oh, sorry, pup. Sorry, bud. No, stop licking it, please. It's not good. Oh, I'm on the GC1 chart, but you understand, same, you know, you get the point. Sorry, there's too many charts. Can I treat this as range 2 here? No, same thing applies. I still need it like this. Right, we'd still need a range 2 breakout, or I'd need to bounce off a resistance here. So let's see. This is range 1, and this is range 2 here. And range 1. Range 2. Yeah, anything here. This is good. Lock in here, gang. We might have positions here in about sooner than you think. Hold on. It's a 30. Orange folder, right? In 2 minutes. Crude oil inventories. Hasn't broken the previous 4-hour low. Chat. Wait, alt. I'm gonna take a sell right here. Just took a sell. 91.9. There. Once we re-break the lows, I'll probably look to close. If we pull back up, I'll look for top of countries on the next 30 and 20 seconds here. Actually, we might look for that anyway. Let's see where it comes up. All right, closing full right there, 24 pips. Just closed full, 24 pips. We have news here right now. Let the news play out. If you're still in there, at the very least, take risk off the table. I just closed full for 24, and I'm gonna wait for this orange folder here to play out, maybe about 5 minutes. All right, we got news that's pending here. Crude oil inventories. Boom. Bad numbers. Bad numbers should be good for gold. You might see this come up. This is an orange folder, but it's the only catalyst we have today, right? For now, until FOMC. Bad numbers, gold might come up. And what is it doing? It's bullish. So, yeah, we took advantage of whatever range we had left. We took our 24 pips. Let this drive. Let it reject, let it hold, let the market make a decision right here. Are you going to hold support, start driving back up heavy, or are you kind of range around here, or just drop? Either or is fine for us as long as it doesn't pull up heavy, right? And the hourly might be lovely depending on how it closes. I would love to stay for that. Chat, win number 87 in a row, 24 pips. Took what we could. Took what it gave us here, really. W, no drawdown, straight into profit, 24 pips. Hold on, I gotta flip the tape ski. www. Two losses is crazy back to back. Bro, I took a W. What fucking loss are you talking about? We won 87 straight trades. What are you talking about? Wrong chat. Oh. I like your honesty, bro. I love it. He's like, oh, wrong chat. My bad. He's not even like my bad. He's like, I don't give a shit. I'm in the wrong chat, bro. I'll post. Who took a loss? I know you guys only go between me, Don, and TTE, the three of us. Yeah, Don or TTE. Bro exposed those. Yeah, he got caught in 4K. He said, oh, just wrong stream. Chat, we just spoke about this. There's a reason, right? We said we're closing at the support here because that's our advantage point. The news is dropping. We saw news drop. You're at a support, even though it's an orange folder, right? We typically don't care, but we closed right at a support. Orange folder dropping. Really bad news for the dollar. Good news for gold. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe it holds this support and back in range, and that's the morning. And right, and then we'll be here for FOMC, or we'll try to be here for FOMC. Are you really a stream hopper if you have all three streams on at the same time? Maybe you're just like a stream multitasker and you don't get enough credit for what you're doing. Wow. W, incredible. Hold on. Update the record. Win number 401. We've crossed the 400 plateau into the 400s territory. 401. Just got to be patient. You see volume shows up. That's what I said yesterday. I mean, if it doesn't show up right now, it sets up so often. You will get a setup tomorrow. You might have more setups here throughout the day. That was just the first one. It just the market doesn't work on your time. Market works on my time. Wix Don Jake. Who's Jake? State Farm? Well, he sounds hideous. Sometimes I watch Roger. He's Nick. Yeah, Jake. Nick. Why Jake? Can you present me a challenge account? No, like everyone's got a story, bro. I feel you, but everyone's got a story. You know how many I'm flooded in my DMs with messages of like, can you sponsor my account? It's nothing personal. It's just like everyone has a story. It does you no benefit to be gifted something. We know it's beneficial for you. Perseverance. Yeah, I know you don't give a shit about me saying that, like, because you're in that position now. Like, everybody goes through that. Like I did. You know, I watched Roger back in the day, right? I seen his streams. There were, like, when I was just starting out, that was the only person that was doing any kind of price action or taking attempts at price action. And I was blowing accounts left and right. And if I got handed shit instead of trying to figuring it out on my own, I would not be here today. I'm not here today if I don't go through those losses. Is it me or the views gone down? Yeah, there's 320 people here. Last week we averaged 600 to 700. We had a couple of days with 700 viewers. And then the rest of the week it was like 615, 620. Haven't blown the count in 2 months. Yeah, it's been quite a while for me. I haven't blown the count since I think 22, 21, maybe 20. It's been a long time. I gotta go check. I checked recently, but I don't remember. No one can help you other than yourself. People can help you, but you gotta be helping yourself first. You gotta set the tone for that help, and you set that by yourself. Yeah, 87 wins in a row. Can't make that up. You can make it up, but it's all been on live streams here. I can't believe we didn't even keep track till like it was at like 60, 65 or something like that. I didn't even realize. I thought we were at like a 20-win streak, 30-win streak, and then we went back. Right, because that's not what you focus on. You know, like we went so often that you don't focus. Oh, we're on a streak. Or like somebody just mentioned it at like in January that like, hey, we went undefeated in December. What kind of streak are we on? And then we went and counted, and it was like, holy shit. But that's exactly what the feeling's like. It's like eventually you're going to be hitting your goals as just a byproduct of what you do, and you won't even recognize that like you're smashing your goals, right? They're just going to be in your rearview mirror and just a side effect of what you do, and your focus is going to be on doing what you do, not on the results. You lost viewers because Don back. Valid. Okay. XAU GA charts are so different. Valid. I like your stream better, but I trade XAU. You're not wrong. Books is helping me right now, but he can't save me from my situation. It's my life. I feel like there was a time where loyal ones always gonna be here. $30 pips till a 70K payout from Apex. Yo, let's do this shit today, bro. No rush. So this is good, right? It attempted to drive up. This was a news push orange folder, so we can see, right, less effect than a red folder, and just continue to drive up. This is good because now you have an hourly closure in 19 minutes, and if you look at this hourly, this is a 111 pip, 112 pip 1 hour candle. If it leaves any kind of range to the downside, we are looking for top wicks. You're up 60 right now, so the goal is really to get to the payout, right? Are you willing to risk 60K for 10 more? But you're RR, bro. You're RR. Get your fucking payout and go take whatever it is. And trust me, 10 grand is not going to make a difference in your life, but 60K can. You mean risk 20K? Oh, because it's a combined, right? You have multiple accounts copy trading. Yeah, bro, take your fucking payout. It's not even worth it, like, because like this is what we do. We play probabilities. Play your probabilities, bro. To do what, you know, what's more guaranteed more often. $30 pips, 90 contrast. Go to spot. Can you go to gold spot chart where price is now? Let's look at it. So yeah, no matter what you were doing here, there's no positions, right? That no bottom wick there on the 30. You're probably waiting on the hourly here. You have range. You're closing below the most recent. So 2749.34. Oh, it was there a minute ago. Yeah, it was right here. Bottom of the wick. On the 1 hour, we previously moved without making the lower wick. Would you still be interested in those sells? I'd be interested in sells after the hourly closure. Or if this starts pushing right now, let's say this candle starts pushing with 5 minutes. This is where I talk about timing and how close we are to the hourly closure, right? If this starts doing, or let's say this starts pushing down right now, like this, and starts leaving this wick, right? And starts pulling back up and doing this with that wick left, you can probably take, and if you're understanding that now you have less than 10 minutes or 10 or 15 or 12 or 8 minutes to go in the hourly, chances of it doing all this and pulling all the way back up are slim to none, right? They're there, but very maybe 1% chances. 99% you're going to close heavily bearish, right? So you don't mind taking, if there's a lot of volume and you're just driven through to the next range, right, to over here, you don't mind taking it as soon as you tap your resistance area. You don't mind taking that entry, because let's say if it comes up further, you're still going to get that bearish closure and you're going to have a pineapple on the top wick on the next candle. But with volume, you can just end up refilling the wick you just made. So timing wise, you would put yourself in a good situation to manage risk in case it's going to come up a little steeper, right? But if it doesn't and refills the range immediately, boom, that's your W. You're playing volume, momentum, and you're playing timing here, not the relationship of the two candles that you would on the next candle. Yeah, I'm not. I don't know. I just don't see it the same way you do, Hank. That's all right. It's just perspective, right? You see it a bit differently than I do, right? Because what happens, right? What happens? And it's not like one of us is wrong or, you know, or right. It's just different perspective, because like Like, right? If I'm standing right here, right? Maybe we can add a third leg. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, if I'm standing right there, right? What do I see? I see a 6. But if you're standing right here, right? What do you see? You see a 9, right? You're like, holy shit, bro, that's a 9 right there. And I'm like, nah, that's a 6, right? So we just have a different perspective on the same thing, and neither one of us is wrong. We just a couple of squareheads. I see a Q. So I just have a different perspective from my experience than you do, but that doesn't mean you're wrong. It just maybe we're just at different places in our trading career, or taking a different road. Petition to bring Wix back to spot gold. You're gonna have to petition the United States government, my friend. Yeah, I get it. You took the trade based on what you've learned from me, but you've kind of went past that, and you've really narrowed it down onto the 1 minute. I mean, more power to you, bro. I love what you're doing, bro. You're doing you. You're doing your strategy, and you're doing it your way. You know what I mean? So I commend you for that. What about giving accounts to anyone random? Friday. On Friday, I'll give away 2 accounts. You're doing it your way. You don't have to do it my way. There's value here, right? You take that value and you apply it your own way. You know? Hank does it one way. Kenny does it another way, you know? Kenny gets big runners. Hank is scalping the shit out of the 1 minute. Where's the reel? Where the meme? It's gonna be on Friday. We'll select the day, and then whatever reel I did on that day, whether it's trading, whether it's a meme, whatever it is, that's the one we'll use. Last Friday there was none. On Monday you said you didn't stream on my birthday. I hope you lucky. So we are. No, last Friday I said we'll do it next week, and on Friday we'll do the poll. Which day of the week people want to use for the reel? Yeah, it's just to incentivize you to comment on every reel. For me to grow the community, I have to grow myself, right? So you guys would be helping me grow. In turn, you would also be helping grow the community. This way we all have skin in the game. Just make sure it's not your foreskin. Hey, chat. Don't sweat it. I think we might have positions here very soon. Don't sweat the petty stuff and don't pet the sweaty stuff. You feel me? Anybody see my phone? Got it right here. Just a reminder, corporate strategy call. I will be there. Confirm, confirm. Did you just take your jacket off? You flexing? Bro, I've been sitting here without a jacket for the last 40 minutes. Ever since I put my hair up. Because it's too funny. My hair's so long that whenever I'm wearing a hoodie, and if it's over my hair, it goes below it's the hoodie, and then as soon as the hoodie ends, under it, it's my hair, like it's a tail. So. Old man flexing his muscles. Yo, I take that to heart, bro. Don't call me old. My kids called me old. I was like, why, I look old? She was like, yeah, you have these wrinkles. I was like, fuck. I'm over here on Alibaba looking for fucking fillers and... She said, you got these eye wrinkles. I'm like, fuck. I was looking for fucking plastic surgery an hour and a half ago. You guys know a good surgeon? I don't know, just say bumbleclot, bro. Did you guys see that video where this guy brought the dog home and he told his daughter that the dog's name is Bumbleclot? And he started filming her. She's walking around the park yelling, Bumbleclot! Come here, Bumbleclot! Look it up. That shit was so funny. She's like, what's his name? His name is Bumbleclot. Yeah, he did it dirty. She was walking around the park yelling, Bumbleclot, come here. Pops did it dirty. That's not the worst prank they did. Oh, I don't know what else they did. I just know that was real funny. All right, 6 minutes. 6 minutes for this 1 hour. Sturdy's holding, huh? What are we mirroring here? So a lot will depend on where this closes. We want a closure below here, right? This is a resistance right here that takes us down historically, right? Previously. Right there, resistance that took us down. Maybe you can even say this. Resistance that took us down. I think that's a better level, right? So let's adjust that if we move that up here. So you'd want, ideally you want a closure below this wick, this previous candle wick, or 2 candles ago. Let's see. Because if price can stay below there, we can look for a top wick entry. If it stays above here, you can hold, you can get a top wick. So if it stays above here, this is what I want to show you. It's actually happened before. If it stays above here, you can get the top wick, flip, and still not drive and have this happen. Right, that's why I want a closure below this area. Because above this area, a support that we've driven up heavy from before. What if it does not close below? Still valid, right, with a big wick. So you will go to the hourly, and then you're looking how it opens, and if it opens, flips, doesn't drive, and starts coming up, no, I'm not okay with it. If it opens heavily to the upside before any kind of, you know, rejection or reaction, and just continues up, then we can start to looking for sells as it's coming up, understanding that it's going to have to bounce off a support before a drive. But look at this 4 hour. Look at our, wait. Let's go back. We're on spot gold. I completely got carried away here. Look at this 4 hour, right? Even though it came down, fuck, wrong chart again. There we go. I'm gonna get rid of those charts. So even though it came down, it held the previous 4 hour low. Yeah, let's see how we open and how we close. Why are you guys sending me your results from other streams? If you didn't take the trade with me, don't send it to me. I don't wanna know about it. Unless you got a question. Why are you guys sending me fucking, like, ask questions. Don't just send me a fucking result of a different trade that wasn't with me. Wow, this is gonna come up here. For the closure. You want a bearish closure, even on the smaller time frame. Even if you want a bearish closure here to say you had an onion, right? For example, you held resistance. You haven't. You just kind of drove up to this area. This is not pretty. You're holding the support. The hourly did close. Let's see how this opened. If we can come up here all the way to the highs before flipping bearish, but at that point, right, that's the 4 hour flip. So is the 4 hour creating a bottom wick to drive up, Or is the hourly creating a top wick to drive down? I don't think it knows either. So remember what we spoke about. It's just, if it's a straight drive up without any kind of reaction, at the top of the range here, you could look for sells. But if it's going to react, go flip, and then re-break highs and come back up, I'm probably not looking for any position until we're out of this range. We've spent 2 days here. Or a full day here, full 24 hours now. Starting with this candle, yeah. Yesterday at noon, and we're an hour away from noon. You want all time frames to line up. I always talk about this, right? The best rule of thumb that somebody taught me, shout out to Uncle Ted, is try to have all your time frames line up and start telling the same story. The 4 hour looking like, see, the 4 hour never broke the low here. If it broke the low, it would be a lot easier to tell on the hourly. Never broke that low. So it could still flip bullish, right? 4 hour could still flip bullish. Just as likely as this hourly to flip bearish. Check spot. Similar, held support, back in range, held support, right? What do you have going on here on the 5 minute? You have your shampoo play, right? Shoulder, head, shoulder. But on the hourly, it looks amazing. 30 close back in range. Not really a top wick. What's the yeah, I mean, this is likelier to flip before driving up. This is maybe 20 pips on the flip. But these candles are printing side by side. We never left the range. We never left the range. The higher quality trade here would have been if we broke the lows here to continue down for the sells. We're still within this range. Let's see if we can get up to here. I think if we can get up to these areas right here, 27.98.9, we might be able to look for some positions. $99 flat area. bottom wick. For now, held support. Will this break down in range or will this come up? Yeah, if this starts closing back up above here, I'm just gonna call it. Might stay in range till FOMC. Yep, it might. Chat, you know what we should do? You know what we haven't done in a while? Because my phone has always been dead at this moment for the last few weeks. Chat, spam some dubs for that W earlier today, for our 87th win in a row, for our 401st win, right? We spent a little time waiting on it from last Friday, right? We haven't really had many positions. It's been ranging for a while, but we still got a W and the streak is on. So spam some dubs. Yep, there's the flippity pippity. Yeah, I'm honestly, I'm not looking for anything here. I'm gonna call it a session here. This could flip, it could come down, it could reflip bullish again. It's not a high quality area for a position. You could have played this off the hourly, not really an area I wanted sells off. If anything, it would have been off of here of 99 areas. But now that we've come down and flipped, if it starts coming back up for a steeper wick, I know it didn't really drive, but I definitely don't want to be part of it. I want to wait for this market to leave this area completely. I'm tired of going up and down here. I want it to leave this area so we can start trading volume, right? And how do we know there's volume? It'll actually print outside the range. It'll close outside the range. Okay? All right, let me call it a session here. I'm going to go take my dog to the vet. He's over here in pain. I know, you keep licking your paw. All right, so I will see you guys. Wait, YouTube doesn't let me, but I still got home on the W when Wix tells me to. Okay, I'm not sure what you're saying. I'll check it later. People at the Zoom door. I mean, welcome, but I'm about to call it a session. If you're part of the Signal channel, you could don't stay locked in. I won't be taking positions until Asian tonight. Okay, we're gonna be active in the Signal channel for Asian, just because I'm leaving the house right now. I gotta go take my dog to the vet. Other than that, like if this starts driving, you guys start getting closures below here, you know what to do. Start looking for those top wicks. Make sure you have range. Okay. FOMC. As far as FOMC, as long as I'm back in time, I will stream it. So look out at around 2 p.m. today. 1:30, 2 p.m. I'll try to hop on. If I'm running a bit late, I think it's still cool. Like my last FOMC, I had to trade at like 3 p.m. Right, so I think even if I'm running a bit late, I will wait for the after effects of news and then just ride the market with the volume that was created, that was left over from news. All right, so we've ranged pretty heavy here. So I think if we break out for a FOMC, it's going to be a heavy breakout and we'll have tons of opportunity to trade. Okay, capiche? Capiche?
Remember it. Write it down. Take a picture. I don't give a fuck.
Anyway, mods, thank you for helping me run the stream. Zoom gang, I'll see you guys on the clubhouse side of things, and I'll let you know. I'll post, you know what? I'll post a story on Instagram, letting you know if I'm making it on time or what's going on. All right, so we'll post a story from on the gram, on IG. All right, So Signal Channel, I'll see you guys tonight for Asian session. Chat, love and wisdom to you all. Appreciate you guys showing up and taking the dubs with us. Congrats to everybody that won with us today.
Break out the red panties. We're rich, baby.
Yes, we are. Yes, we are. All right, let's get our outro going. There we go. Perfect. Chat, if I can, I'll see you 2 p.m. If not, tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern. Love and wisdom to everybody. As for me, you already know the deal. My time here is up. And just like that, another New York session is in the books. I'll see you guys later.